Good morning. Welcome back to my channel. I'm in the garage right now standing here. I was coming out to show you all an update on my winter sowing. And the sun is so bright, so I had to get the video started in here because I was like, I couldn't see. Anyways, we have lots of sprouts in my jugs that I started a few weeks ago. So I want to show you all what I have that's sprouted. And then we have added some new friends to the family. So I was going to show you all the little baby chickens. I've added a bunch of new chicks to the family. They're so cute. So I'll tell you, we ended up getting 20 of these, and I didn't know that. I went off the other day and ran a few errands, and then Colby took the kids. They went to Rural King, and he comes back with 20 chickens, and I'm like, what are we gonna do with 20? We already have 5, which one is a rooster, and then 4 are laying. But our coop, I don't think, is big enough for these, so we are going to be getting ducks as well. So we'll probably put the ducks in that coop, and then we will have to build another one for these little guys. Look at this one, it's so cute. Oh, I know, guys. The kids have not stopped playing with them. Okay, so I have all of my containers on the back end of the house. So let's see, what is, okay, is this how you say it, candy tuft? I've never grown this before, but I do see a few sprouts down in there that just came up the other day. Mainly I have some arugula, which I could have really direct sowed into the garden, but I just wanted to get them started, and I just started this other day. We have some, let's see, lift this up here. Okay. Bunch of little sprouts there, which these are all flowers. These are climbing flowers. I don't know which ones these are because it was a packet of mixed seeds. We have, let me see what this is. No, that says climber. Is that climber? That might be climbers. So what are these? No, that says climbers. Oh, this is a mixed packet that I just kind of threw in there. I think some of these are like little hibiscus. And then I did plant some snapdragon seeds right here, but sometimes those take a little bit to germinate, and this kind of looks a little wet. Oh wait, no, I see some back there. Right over there. So that's exciting. I love snapdragons. And then I have some, let's see, what are these? Bachelor buttons. Some bachelor button, which I've never done those before. These are, let's see, zinnias, which usually I'll direct sow those as well, but I just kind of wanted to get a head start on some. This is spinach, and then whatever I put in here is growing. A few, I think those are cosmos. So anyway, I just love when the little sprouts start. It's so exciting. And some of these are starting to get like their second set of leaves and stuff, so that's exciting. Hi, Rusty. No, don't come over here. We can't pee on my flowers. Come on. Come on, boy. Okay. Hi, Bubs. Hi. I wanted to show you guys some of the things that I got for spring. I saw, this is I'm gonna put this on my mantle. I got this from Hobby Lobby. I spotted this somewhere. I don't know if it was on an Instagram post or what, but I just loved how simple it was. So I'm gonna put this on my mantle. And I grabbed a few bunnies to put on up there. I'm just kind of keeping it simple. I don't like to go too crazy, but I grabbed one of these little, they had a bunch of these bunnies. One of these, and then this cute little guy. And then I just loved this one, and I thought it went really good with this. So we're gonna put that on the mantle. And then the other thing that I grabbed from Hobby Lobby that day was, I'm trying to incorporate more greenery into my home because I'm not, like, I haven't been buying very many like pictures and stuff. So I got a couple of hydrangea stems, and then some of these really pretty stems. These were all on sale. Like every so many weeks they have them 40% off, I think. So I got those when they were on sale. If they're not on sale, I don't buy them. Did I get these from Hobby Lobby? I can't remember. I ended up actually getting this from Aldi, which I do have an Aldi haul, I'll show you. But I got this from Aldi. And then they actually had, the week that I went, this really cute snail planter. And I just thought that would be cute on the porch or something. And then I'm trying to put more like real plants in the house. So I got some spider plants because they do purify the air and stuff and take toxins out of the air. So I'm actually going to try to propagate this. I only got one just because I have to do a little bit of research on taking care of this. I'm sure they're not hard to take care of, but anyways, you know what? I actually got these from Target. I just remembered. So I got these from Target. And then I got these tulips from Hobby Lobby as well. There was a bunch of them. They were $9.99 and then they were a discount. So I just thought I'm going to put these on my kitchen counter. I don't like to have too many things on the kitchen counters because it just drives me crazy when I'm trying to cook and stuff. I'm in the kitchen all the time. So I do not like having to work around things in my kitchen. So I'm just going to put this cute little tulip bunch probably on the kitchen counter. This I got from Home Goods. I just really liked it. I thought when I grow my cut flowers this year that this would look really pretty with a few stems in there. And then I actually got this vase as well from Hobby Lobby. It was green and it looked good with my green theme. And then my daughter got a bouquet for her birthday, but all the other flowers in it died, and I just took some of those stems out of there and added that in. And then I also got this vase. This is the Hairpin Hand from Target. So I really liked this one because it had a bigger opening and it was a little bit taller. So I'm just taking this greenery and kind of putting it in certain spots of the home because I figured if I don't have anything on the walls, just add some plants. So we have all of that. And then I did finally find something for the girls' bathroom. I've been looking for a shower curtain forever, and I ran across this one at Target. I don't know if it's new or not, but it's just really pretty. It's simple. It's got the florals in it. So I thought it'd be really pretty for spring and to get it started in there. And then I got this rug to go in front of the bathtub, and then I made it like a runner to put in front of the vanity. And then they actually had this at Aldi's. I went to Aldi's a couple days later to get some groceries, and this was there. So I thought this actually may look pretty good with that shower curtain. I'll probably put this like over the toilet or something. We have a big wall there, so that would look really pretty because it's a pretty big piece of art. And I think I paid only like $9.99 for this, so I could not pass it up because your girl is on a budget. So that is the stuff I got for spring. I got some things for the front porch, which we're gonna do a front porch little refresh. I didn't go crazy. We'll do a little spring porch refresh as well. And then I'm gonna go ahead and get this put up on the mantle with the little bunnies. I'm gonna get the tags off of here. I wanted to share with you one of my favorite salads that I've had on repeat lately. I am obsessed with the kale salad from Chick-fil-A. So I have just decided to make my own, and it is so easy to whip up. I like to top mine with some grilled chicken and buffalo sauce, but there will be a vinaigrette dressing that goes on here, which I'll share with you as well. So you'll just start off with about 4 to 5 cups of kale, and then you're going to add in a handful of cabbage. Now I like to make sure that I kind of get the stems off of this kale because you don't want to be chomping on stems. So just get the stems off really good, and then you're going to add in 3 tablespoons of olive oil, 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar, 2 tablespoons of maple syrup, 2 teaspoons of Dijon mustard, salt and pepper, and then just mix that up and put that over top. Sometimes I like to double the dressing recipe if I make a bigger salad, just so I have enough dressing on there, but just pour that over top, mix it up really good. It kind of sinks to the bottom, so I like to just give it a good stir every few minutes and just kind of let it set. And then we had some leftover rotisserie chicken, so I'm just going to add that on top. And then the buffalo sauce. So usually at Chick-fil-A, I'll get like a 5-count grilled nugget, pour some of their buffalo sauce over top, and then put that in, and it's so good. I fell in love with this wreath at TJ Maxx a few weeks ago. I had to grab it. And then I ended up getting this as a layering rug from Target. I believe it's the Threshold brand. So I'm just going to put that down first. And then I got one of the spring mats from Sam's Club. I always like to check there and get the mats because they're the huge ones for like, I think $9 to $10. So it's a really great deal. So I thought that went really good together. And then I am just going to come in with these 2 little flower pots. I have to be mindful of what I put on my front porch. We're on top of a mountain and things will blow away. So I actually got these 2 little pots from the Dollar Tree, and I actually got these florals from the Dollar Tree as well. I don't usually buy florals from the Dollar Tree, but they did catch my eye. They were bright and colorful. They are poppies, and I think they look really pretty, but I can't figure out if they go well with the wreath and all. I don't know. I kind of feel like they might clash a little bit, so let me know what you think in the comments below. If you made it this far in the video, thanks for hanging out with me today. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you guys again soon.